Next concept is nothing but a uh, implementation of tree type structure in a symbol table. అంటే స్టాక్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్లోనే స్టాక్ ఇంప్లిమెంటెడ్ ట్రీ టైప్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ సింబల్ టేబుల్. అంటే మనం ట్రీ టైప్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ టైప్ నోటేషన్స్ని ఒకవేళ మనకున్న సింబల్ టేబుల్లో తీసుకున్నామంటే హౌ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి ఇంప్లిమెంటెడ్. In tree structured symbol table organization can be done in two different ways for block structured languages. One approach is nothing but a construct a large construct a large tree for all variables at all variables full stop. ఇట్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ రిమూవల్ ఆఫ్ రికార్డ్స్ ఫర్ బ్లాక్. అంటే ఈచ్ బ్లాక్లో మన డేటాని ఎంటర్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆ డేటా అన్నది ఆ ట్రీలో లీఫ్ నోడ్ కింద ఇన్సర్ట్ అవుతుంది. మనం ఏదైతే బ్లాక్ నుంచి బయటకు వచ్చినప్పుడు ఆ డేటా అన్నది రిమూవ్ అయిపోతుంది అనమాట. ఇన్సర్ట్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్వేస్ డన్ ఎట్ లీఫ్ నోడ్. మనం ఏమైనా ఎలిమెంట్స్ని బ్లాక్ స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పుడు వేరియబుల్ని డిక్లేర్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు మనం వాటిని లీఫ్ నోడ్లో మనం ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసుకుంటాము. ఎవ్రీ డిలీటింగ్ ఆపరేషన్ విల్ ఇన్ఫార్మ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ థింగ్. వన్ ఈజ్ ఏ లొకేట్ ద పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ రికార్డ్ ఇన్ ద ట్రీ. అంటే మనం డిలీట్ చేయాలని రికార్డ్స్ని ఆ యొక్క ఎలిమెంట్ని మనం అందులో ఫస్ట్ ట్రాక్ చేయాలి. ద రిమూవ్ రికార్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ట్రీ అండ్ అడ్జస్ట్ ద లింక్స్. అంటే ఆ ఎలిమెంట్ని రిమూవ్ చేసేసిన తర్వాత ట్రీలో వాటికున్న లింక్స్ని అడ్జస్ట్ చేయాలి. ఇఫ్ ఎనీ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఇఫ్ ఎనీ బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఇన్ ఎ ప్రాపర్ మేనర్ ఇన్ దట్ ట్రీ బై యూజింగ్ AVL tree rotation concepts, we are implementing the balancing concept also in this tree structure. Okay, and second approach is nothing but a construct a forest of trees where every block లోపల కొత్త ట్రీని కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేసి వన్స్ ఆ బ్లాక్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఆ ట్రీని రిమూవ్ చేసే స్ట్రక్చర్ ఈజ్ అ సెకండ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రక్చర్. దీస్ ఆర్ ద టూ మెథడ్స్ దట్ ఆర్ ఇంప్లిమెంటెడ్ ఇన్ బ్లాక్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ వైల్ tree structured data implemented in symbol table. And in this organization, node for each record is associated with two special pointers. The one is a right child and left child. ఎందుకంటే మనం ట్రీ స్ట్రక్చర్లో మనం చైల్డ్ ఎలా ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తాం, ఎయిదర్ ఫర్ ట్రీ రోట్ నోడ్కి ఎయిదర్ లెఫ్ట్ కానీ రైట్ కానీ చైల్డ్స్ని ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తాం. కాబట్టి రైట్ నోడ్ని లెఫ్ట్ నోడ్ని మనకి ఇండికేట్ చేయడానికి వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ టూ పాయింట్స్. వన్ ఈజ్ ఏ right node pointer and second one is a left node pointer. And symbol table is maintained as a stack. When block is encountered, the values are pop, push, and once the block is completed, the values are pop. Like that total scenario will be implemented in this insertions insertions are done at top of a symbol table, and after insertion, if the tree is unbalanced, it should be corrected by right left. That means AVL tree type of structure. Okay, it will balance it with the help of the procedures. And next one is search operation. The search operation begin at tree structure for the last block to be encountered. When the block is encountered, the search operation will be started for that one and proceed down to the blocks and its point it points root of a tree for the first block encounter. అంటే మనకి సెర్చ్ ఆపరేషన్ పర్ఫామ్ చేసేటప్పుడు మనం రూట్ నోడ్ నుంచి ఎలిమెంట్, అంటే మనం ఏదన్నా బ్లాక్ లోపల సెర్చ్ ఆపరేషన్ పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఆ బ్లాక్ లోపల ఎక్కడైతే బ్లాక్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందో ఆ బ్లాక్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యే స్టేట్ నుంచి ఆ సెర్చ్ ఆపరేషన్ పర్ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. అలా కాకుండా మనం టోటల్గా ప్రొసీజర్ మొత్తం స్టార్టింగ్లో మెయిన్ బ్లాక్లో కనుక సెర్చ్ ఆపరేషన్ పర్ఫామ్ చేయాలి అనుకుంటే ఇట్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ అట్ రూట్ ఎలిమెంట్ నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసుకొని ఇట్ విల్ సెర్చ్ ఫర్ రిమైనింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇన్ దట్ వన్. ఓకే, హియర్ the structure of tree structure of that can be implemented in the below diagrams. Here only 4 diagrams will be taken. So why we are taking only 4 diagrams? This entire diagram will indicate block 1. This entire diagram will indicate block 2. This entire diagram will indicate block 3, and this entire diagram will indicate block 4. We are only discussing with the while the block is running at the situation we are only taking. That's why for 4 blocks we are taking 4 table representations to implement these blocks variables declarations with the help of a tree type notation. Now we are implementing tree type structure implementation for those 4 blocks. Okay, now we consider the same program whatever discussed up to now. This is a sample program for that one. So here while program block 1 is running, at the start of that one, here we are declaring a, b, name and function. These 4 elements should be declared in block 1. So these declarations can be drawn in a tree type manner. How it will be represented should be shown here. So here in block 1 we are implementing a, b, name, comma, fun 1. So here first element will be inserted, a will be inserted. Okay, so after a, when b is inserted, if b is greater than a is ASCII value, so for that reason it will be in a right child of that one, it will be implemented b. Okay, after b insertion, then name will be inserted. Name, the first letter a, n will be greater than m, then it's implemented as the right child of this b. Then a function will be implemented. The function is a function f is a less ASCII value than n and greater ASCII value of b. So for that reason, to maintain that one, it will be the left child of your name. So here we are implementing fun 1. Okay, so like that the tree will be constructed here at first block while running. So here, so first a, so a record will be inserted here. For a, left node is null and right node will be b. So here b will be inserted in one index place. For that reason, the index number should be maintained here. That means if a has left child null and right child 1, whatever the element in the one position, and one position element b is there, so that means a in this side null value for tree, in left side we are using 1 means b, so the null value and a b. So up to now this b is reached. While b is in a table, so after insertion of name, it will be the right child of b. So for that reason, here name is inserted in second location. So the name is a right child of b. For that reason, the left child is null and right child will be 2. So 2 is nothing but a name. That's why 2 is implemented here. Here a means 1 means b. Why? Because this is a left child of a, b. So here we cannot mention directly b, index number will be maintained here 1. So why? Because b is stored in 1 index. Again name will be inserted. Name is a left child of b. For that reason, the index number b should be left side, right side, and left side should be null. Then after insertion of fun, it should be the left child of this name. So for that reason, in left side we are mentioning 3. 3 means whatever the record in the tree, that is nothing but a fun. So fun should be here, and that means for name, fun is a left child, there is no right child for that one. So in for fun there is no left and right childs. For that reason here implementing null and null value. So to referencing that one, here we are using one pointer from here to here. That means it will get information from first record, it will get information from second record, it will get information from third record. Based upon right and left child notation, we are using for right childs we are using right arrow indication, for left childs we are using left arrow indications. So this is at block 1. So for that block 1 it starts with 0. For that reason here in index table we are using 0 as a indication for that one. In block 2, block 1 is running, that's why 0 is there. Block 1 is running and block 1 is temporarily stopped and block 2 is coming to the picture. So block 2 is starting from 4th record. For that reason it will be inserted 4. While at this situation block 1 is running passed and block 2 is running. So for that reason these 2 points indicate 2 blocks right now is in consideration. Okay, so up to now we are discussing up to fun we are discussing here. In block 2 we are using only 2 variables, that is one is x and second one is a. So while you are taking x as a record in that one, a is a root record in that one, then it will take x as a right child. Why? Because it has a higher ASCII value than a. Okay, so for that reason first here we are implementing x. Okay, first we are not here first we are not taking a. Here we are taking first we insert x, then a. So it's a less value than this, that's why it's a left child for that one. So here up to now this is a block 1. In block 2 we are inserting 2 elements, one is x and second one is a. So once x is inserted, then if you insert a, that is nothing but a left child of that one. For that reason, so a should be the left child. So that means in left side we are using a. So in directly we are not implementing a here. Here we are using index number of a. So here index number of a is nothing but 5. That's why here we are placing 5. And for x there is no right child, and then a has no, there is no right and left childs. A, there is no right and left child. For that reason here just implementing null. Okay, so here this line indicates right child, this line indicates left child. And next at block 3, while you are running block 3, while you are running at block 3 is closed, so there is no data and there is no pointer for block 2. Why? Because it's already closed. At block 3 is running, block 1 is passed and block 3 is running. So in block 3 we are implementing only one variable, that is nothing but a y. So we are implementing only y. So for that reason this y has no left child and no right child. So for that reason, so there is no pointer for y for left and right child. And one more thing, this block 3 will start from 5th location, 5th index of this one. For that reason we are pointing fifth in the index table. So here block 1 it starts with 0, it will running and passed. Block 5 is running, so that's why block 5 is nothing but block B. Block B it starts with the fifth location, for that fifth index location. For that reason here the 5 will be inserted. And then before of this one, after fun we are inserting one more method, that is nothing but a fun2. so here fun and fun both are same. In 1 and 2 has a greater priority, that means a greater value than 1. For that reason it is a right child of fun1, right child is nothing but a fun2. So here fourth record will be as a right child of this one. For that meaning here we are inserting 4. And at block 4 is running. While block 4 is running, block 1 is passed and block 3 is passed and block 4 is running. So for that reason block 1 elements are same and block 3 elements are also in that record. Okay, so for that indication here for block 1 0 is indication, block 3 5 is indication, block 4 the 6 is a indication, where from 6 onwards block 4 is running. So for that reason these three are in index table. And then in block 4 we are inserting only 2 variables, one is f and test. For that reason first we insert f. So in that f okay, after that f we will insert test. So t will compare it to f. T has highest value, for that reason t will be the right child of f. For that reason it should be right side value. So here test will be there. Instead of indicating test we are inserting the index of that test here. So for that reason it pointing from here to here. So here for test there is no right child and left child. In this last one block 4, first f will be inserted and then test will be inserted. Okay, so here this is the right child. See, in test has no right and left child. For that reason for test there is no right child and there is no right and left childs. So these links is nothing but if any right child and left child means we'll use these links to indicate the record for that right and left child. This is the entire thing of tree type of structure in block type of structured data languages data organization. And then next and last concept in that one, in fourth unit, is nothing but a stack implemented has structured symbol table. ఒకవేళ మనకి stack first stack implementation, second stack implemented tree type of structures, and third one is nothing but a in case stack implemented has type of structure. So we are up to now we are discussing already has representation, what is meaning by hash, and is there any collisions, is there, what are the different types of collision avoiding techniques, all are now discussed about that one. So apply hashing technique is a complex for block type of structure language. It requires some techniques to preserve the information regarding variables information stored చేసుకోవడానికి it need some special structures. It can be achieved by using intermediate hash tables. Hash table stores links, అంటే మనకు ఆల్రెడీ ఒక స్టాక్ టైప్ రిప్రజెంటేషన్ ఉంది, దాని పక్కన మనకి ఇండెక్స్ టేబుల్ లాగా మనకి బ్లాక్ స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పుడు స్టోర్ చేసుకుంటున్నాము. ఆన్ బిహాఫ్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ వన్ మోర్ extra table for note down the hash values of that one, and hash table for that one. By adding this hash table to this concept, we are implementing the hashing in a symbol table, hashing in a symbol table concept in a block structured languages. Okay, stack stores information of variables along with the links to the location where the variable maps, and here it will point to the hash table based upon the hash value. The block index table will store the while the block is started, and while it will be deleted while block is ended. Here we are using uh, three operations. The first one is set operation, second one is lookup operation, and third one is reset operation. In set operation, if is there element will be occurred in that particular location, if collision will be there, it will be implemented some more procedure. If is there any element in a particular occupied location, then the element should be inserted. And if the element is not there, it should be inserted. If element is there, it should use some more technique to avoid the collision of that particular occurrence of location. So to maintain that, we are using different types of implementation. Those are discussed here. And then while you are searching operation, here the searching operation should be simple. Based upon the hash index key value, the search operation will be done. If while you searching process, if a required element will be identified, then the index value will be returned to the searching procedure. If it is not possible, it will based upon the back and forward links, we will choose the next location and then repeat the step and whatever searching procedure discussed in step 1. And in a reset operation, we will delete the variable from the stack. After that one, we will delete the indexing value in the index table, and also a block value in the index table, and index the hash value in the hash table also we would with the help with the data, and reset the links of deleted data also. Take an example. We take an example of the variables in the above program, and find the hashing value for that variables, and based upon that one, how it will be inserted in the hash table is also explained in the next pictures. Here the hashing table location should be 10. Because of that one, it will be module with 10, because of here the location limit of the table is nothing but a 10. So here for A, ASCII value 97 and total value 97. After mapping location, why we are module with 10 means, in index table we are taking only 10 records. For that reason, it should be module with 10. By this procedure, we will get ASCII values of entire variables whatever that should be discussed in the above program. Next, in case while you are implementing hash values at every block, here we are taking only 4 blocks. For that reason, only 4 pictures will be taken. So rest of the thing I will discuss up to now. This part I will be discussed in a tree type structure notation. Now we are discussing only this part. So, okay, while first inserting A, so A has a ASCII value 7, so it will be pointing to 7. Initially it has 0 value in that 7. So after B inserting, so B has ASCII value 8, then this will be pointing from here to 8, and here will insert value 1. But after inserting name, so name has a ASCII value again 7. So again it points to 7th location. So it has a collision of here 2 things can be pointing to 7th location. To avoid that one, we are using what are the update data. For that reason, we'll remove the link of 0 from here and insert name index location here. So why here inserting 2 means this is a 0, 1, 2, like that is the index number. Now 2 index number will be stored in a 7th location of index table. And then next we are inserting function. So function has a index value 8. Again from this 2 will pointing to 8th location. And why here we insert 3 means this indication of third record will be inserted in this location of your hash table. To indicate that one, this record, to here we are inserting 3. Like that the records information will be stored in hash table based upon the ASCII values of that variables, not ASCII values, the key values of that variables. This is at block 1, and in block 2 we are using x and a. So for x the ASCII value is 0, so for that reason it directly storing at 0. Why you are inserting 4 means this is 1 0 1 2 3 4th record, for that reason it will be stored in 4 here. And again we'll insert a has a ASCII value 7, for that reason the ASCII value already stored for a is 7. Again the 7 will be overtake with 5. Why? Because means already the 7 with insert with name. Now a will be inserted. A has again ASCII value 7. For that reason this is the update record. For that reason a has ASCII value again 7. For that reason we will delete the second record in that location and then insert a fifth record in that one. Next in at block 3 we have these variables in running at block 3. Block 1 is passed and block 3 is running. Okay, same whatever discussed in tree type structure, that all should be drawn here. And next one, so here we are inserting y. Okay, so while inserting y has a ASCII value 1. For that reason this will be stored in 1. So y here inserting 5 means the record number 0 1 2 3 4 5 is y. For that reason it should be inserted here and pointed to this record. So again function 2 will be inserted. In function 2 has a index value 9. For that reason pointer from function 2 to 9th location. The record number 1 0 1 2 3 4 0 1 2 3 4 is the function 2. For that reason it should be inserted 4 here. And at block number 4, at block number 4, so block 1 is passed and block 3 is passed and block 4 is running. For that reason 0 5 6 will be indicated here. The type of structure that should be already discussed in the before topic. Now we are discussing about the fourth block variables is nothing but f and test. We insert f and test here. So the ASCII value of f is nothing but a 0. So for that reason a pointer from here to 0. So now up to now in 0th location 4 will be there. That should be overridden with f value. Why? Because this f has 0 ASCII value and the year f is nothing but in 6th record 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. For that reason the 6 will be stored in 0th location of hash table. And then test, after finding the ASCII value of f, it will give 7. So the 7 will be replaced with 7. Why? Because already the 7th location will be occupied by 2. So that should be overtaken by this test. Why? Because test has 7, it should be the latest record. For that reason it should be, the 2 will be removed from this index table and insert test record in this 7. So test record is nothing but 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. For that reason the second record will be inserted here. So remaining all should be maintained same as the above. So why here we are implementing this arrows means this both have same ASCII value. These both has same ASCII value, and test and this B this A and name has both three has same ASCII value. For that reason we are pointing a reference to same ASCII values type of variables. So here A and name has same ASCII value, and B and function has same ASCII value. For that reason function to B one pointer is there, name to A one pointer is there. Here A and A and name and has same ASCII value. For that reason here A to name one pointer is there, and name to again A has one pointer is there. Like that, if the variable has same ASCII value, that should be connected with one pointer arrow symbol from one to another one. That's why we are drawing all these arrows here. Same thing also here, and same thing also here. This is the entire thing of hashed type of representation with index table and stack table representation in our symbol table. This is the total concept of hash based stack implementation in block type of structured languages.